Hello everybody, Lizzie Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dodson here. Welcome back for more video games. Listen, how you guys are doing today? Okay, before we get started, there are two things on today's order I'd like to tell you. Remember, sign on there in the course of through the social media. This young lady here is sign this one, and don't forget to take the next step. Just like brers, remember to save our favorite light. Don't forget to take the next step and do D2. Okay. Sorry, it might be a little slow. Okay. Okay. Back to this video game lesson. I'm sorry, there are too many tabs on it, but 360. Let's focus on that. Don't worry, I will do on it another game console. If Diana was responding on me because there are too many tabs. So, okay, focus on this lesson. Okay, back to the video game lesson. Before we get know these everything like a month in a day of the year, all these videos in this lesson are spoiler word ahead. Please finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first. If I go too fast, you have to look it up the name of the game console to look it up for yourself. Remember, keep eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by different game console. Okay, let's get going. What I'm doing right now, I'm trying to make a video on. Remember, I put the name of that anime character and stuff. Hold on for this. Alright, let's stop right here. See you in the next video. Bye.